Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching the Unlock Sport YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock iPhone Unavailable if you forgot your 4-digit, 6-digit and alphanumeric passcode. So guys, if you are forgot your iPhone 4-digit, 6-digit and alphanumeric passcode, keep watching the video until learn and follow also. So guys, let's start this video without face to our time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen iPhone is locked. Tap on the emergency section and enter the secret pin code star 092 star 56205 star 8630955 star 7089401 star 8633 star 8955 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this secret pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. You can see code is added. Tap on the cancel. Again swipe up. You can see iPhone is still asking for passcode. Tap on the emergency section and enter this second secret pin code star 000906 star 08066 star 102 star 7655 8309 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this pin code is also added on your iPhone. You can see appears on screen pin code is automatically added. Now go back and make sure you disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or any type of VPN. Go back. You can see iPhone is still asking for passcode as passcode is forgotten. Now enter this final secret pin code to unlock your iPhone. So guys, follow all steps to unlock your iPhone. Star 05088 star 107 423 096 star 853 star 784506 9923 05 044 star 862 1022826495 09255 hash and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, your iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. Simply press the dialer. You can see appears on screen your iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to unlock iPhone Unavailable if you forgot your iPhone passcode. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative unlock videos. Thanks for watching.